Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 3 natural juices that work as medicine. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you want to be healthy? Or are you looking for a beneficial drink that helps your body to maintain health? Or helps your digestive system? Or something that makes your skin glowing? You are at the right place. This video is going to be sharing with you 3 wonderful recipes of juices that are beneficial for any part of your body. These recipes are super easy and won't take your time more than 10 minutes. If you want to maintain your health, what will be better than to start off your day with hydrating, vibrant juices that are full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is highly recommended by experts to keep the body hydrated because it flushes away toxins, keeps your skin smooth, glowing, and youthful. Having these juices as snacks will help you to feel full for a longer time, and prevents you from having junk foods. You may think juicing often looks costly, time-consuming, and not always the tastiest. But that's not true. There are billions of juice recipes. You can choose the one which is proper for you in any aspect. If you don't like their taste, you can add or remove ingredients to it in order to become tastier for you. As there are many different types of juices on the markets, you may be tempted to have them, but to be honest, most of them are just tricks. If you are serious about your health, and you want to drink something beneficial for your health, it's time to do it yourself. Make your juices yourself. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 3. Carrot, apple, and ginger juice. Beet, carrots, green apple, ginger, and grapefruit are the 5 components of this juice. This juice is a wonderful health helper because of its high-quality properties. Ginger contains a wide range of vitamins such as vitamin C and B, minerals like iron, calcium, and phosphorus. This spice has an anti-inflammatory compound known as phenols which reduces pain. Ginger root is also high in antioxidants. As a result, all these substances made ginger a super nutritious food with numerous benefits for the body and especially for the immune system. For this recipe, you need 1 beetroot, 3 carrots, 1 ginger, 2 green apples, 1 blood orange, 1 grapefruit. Mix all the ingredients together. You can also add black salt to your juice if you like its taste. Number 2. Strawberry juice. Combination of strawberries with many fruits gives you a deliciously fruity, sweet, and sour juice which is liked by most people. For this recipe, you can use both fresh or frozen kiwis or mangoes and strawberries. Mango is high in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant property that helps several parts of the body to work properly. Vitamin E has many other benefits such as benefits for the skin and hair. The ingredients you need are 1 mango, 10 or more strawberries, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a half cup of orange juice. You can add sparkling water or ice cubes to your juice to make it a great beverage for hot summer days. It is better to blend strawberries and lemon juice at first and then add sparkling water. When you blend all these three completely, then you should add mango and other ingredients. Kiwis are another source of vitamin C. You can also mix kiwis with strawberries. Number 1. Vitamin C Smoothie. This juice has several healthy ingredients which make it a great choice for breakfast. Banana, pineapple, kale, and peanut butter are the things you need for making this recipe. As it is high in protein, it will keep you full and prevent you from having junk foods. Even if you do not like the taste of kale, this smoothie will change your mind. For making this smoothie, you should start with kales. Chunk their leaves, then add 1 or 2 cups of banana and almond milk, then add 2 handfuls of kales. Try frozen bananas and add at least 2 bananas to cover the kale's taste as well as to give your smoothie a creamy tissue. And this is the time to add the last and the most important ingredient, which is pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, and you will get your daily need for vitamin C with this juice. If you want to, you can add lemon juice to it. Mix all the ingredients and serve them for yourself. Eating healthy is a choice that should be made by everyone because of the benefits it provides to your body. If you eat well and have your regular exercises, you take the 2 most important steps for having a long, healthy life. A healthy diet will keep you healthy, and it has many beneficial effects on all parts of your body. These juices are also beneficial for the skin, youthful, smooth, and hydrated, as well as it helps your digestive system to be more balanced. As a result, you will be stronger against diseases and you will deal with daily stresses and problems more easily. Do you know any more tasty recipes? Feel free to share your ideas and your favorite recipes with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.